Okay, good morning students. Welcome to mathematics class. So today we're going to study again mathematics. So before we proceed to our lesson, we have online class rules. Number 1, sit down properly. Number 1, sit down properly. Okay, you look at this boy, or you look at this student. He is sitting down properly. And number 2, watch and listen carefully. Watch and listen carefully. Okay, you look at this girl. You look at her. She is listening carefully. Okay? And number 3, prepare your worksheet and workbook. Okay, so this is your worksheet and these are your workbook. Primary Mathematics 1A and Primary Mathematics 1B. Okay, so again, you're going to prepare your worksheet and workbook. Okay, because after our lesson, you're going to answer your worksheet and workbook. Okay, so once again, this is your teacher June, your mathematics teacher with teacher Mark. Okay, your mathematics teacher too. Okay, so our lesson for today is all about solving word problem, addition 0 to 10. Again, our lesson is all about solving word problem, addition 0 to 10. Okay, so what is a word problem? So in mathematical expression, word problem is a problem expressed entirely in words, typically used as an educational tool. Again, word problem, a mathematical problem expressed entirely in words, typically used an educational tool. Okay, so there are 4 steps to solving word problem. Okay, so the step to solve a problem, number 1, understand the problem. Okay, number 1, understand the problem. Okay, you're going to understand the problem. Okay, that is number 1 step. And number 2, make a plan. Again, number 2, make a plan. And number 3, carry out the plan. Again, number 3, carry out the plan. And number 4, check your answer. Check your answer. Okay, that is the last step, number 4. Okay, again, what is a word problem? So a word problem is a verbal description of a problem situation wherein one or more questions are posed. Okay, so later we're going to solve the problem and you can use this. Okay, so we're going to use addition to solve the problem. Why? Because addition is putting numbers together. Okay, so that is addition. Okay, next, so let us proceed to our example. So this is our example. Okay, let us read. 3 people go to a picnic in car. 3 people go to a picnic in car. 2 more people go to a picnic on bike. 2 more people go to a picnic on bike. Okay, so there are 5 people altogether at the picnic. Okay, there are 5 people altogether at the picnic. Okay, so this one. So now we have 3 circles from the left that represents 3 people go to a picnic in car. Okay, and 2 circles from the right that represents 2 people go to a picnic on bike. Okay, if I count each one of these, I will find out that there are 5 people in all went to the picnic. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, again, let us read one more. Now, we have 3 circles from the left that represents 3 people go to a picnic in car. Okay, and 2 circles from the right that represents 2 people go to a picnic on bike. If I count each one of these, I will find out that there are 5 people in all went to the picnic. Okay, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, very good. Next, so for our example, again, 3 people go to a picnic in cars, 2 more people go to a picnic on bike. So there are 5 people altogether at the picnic. Okay, so let us answer number 1. Number 1 is given information. So we have 2 given information. Number 1 is 3 people go to a picnic in car. And number 2 given information, more people go to a picnic on bike. Okay, 2 more people go to a picnic on bike. So those are the given information. And number 2, keyword. So what is the keyword? So this is the keyword, all together. Again, what is the keyword? All together. Okay, very good. And number 3, for our number sentence, 3 plus 2 equals, okay, so you're going to write your answer here. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. Very good. So for number 4, for the answer, so there are 5 people all together at the picnic. Okay. So next, okay, so we have another example here. So let us read. Sally has 4 golf balls. Bonus, give her another 5 golf balls. How many golf balls are there altogether? Again, Sally has 4 golf balls. Bonus, give her another 5 golf balls. How many golf balls are there altogether? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4 golf balls. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 golf balls. Okay, so let us answer about the given information. So what are they? Sally has 4 golf balls, number 1. And number 2, bonus give her another 5 golf balls. Okay, number 2. So for the keyword, so what is the keyword? Altogether. Very good. And number 3, number sentence. 4 plus 5 equals. Okay, so you're going to write your answer. And number 4, for the answer, there are blank golf balls all together. Okay, so you're going to write your answer on the blank. Okay, so this is your worksheet. Okay, so everybody have a worksheet with you. Okay, I'm going to explain what you're going to do. So let us read. I see 2 red hats. I see 6 orange hats. How many hats are there altogether? Okay, so you're going to write given information. Number 1, I see 2 red hats. Number 2, I see 6 orange hats. Okay, so what is the keyword? Again, altogether. Very good. Number 3, number sentence. 2 plus 6 equals. Okay, so answer. There are blank hats altogether. Okay, for the next. Okay, so this is 2 red hats and 6 orange hats. So you're going to add. Okay, 2 plus 6 equals. Okay, so number 2 worksheet. Okay, so this is number 2, right? So there are 5 lions in the jungle. There are 4 lions in the grassland. So how many lions are there in all? Okay, number 1, given information. So there are 5 lions in the jungle. And number 2, there are 4 lions in the grassland. Okay, so that is the given information. For number 2, so what is the keyword? So the keyword is in all. Okay. And number 3, number sentence. So you're going to write 5 plus 4 equal. Okay. So for the answer, there are blank lions altogether. So what you are going to write? What number? So you're going to add 5 and 4. So what is your answer? 9. Correct. Very good. So you're going to write there are 9 lions all together. Okay, so that's all. So if you have some questions, you ask Teacher Julie, okay? If you don't understand, okay, don't be shy. I'm here to answer your question. Okay, student? So if you don't have questions, you're going to take out your worksheets to answer. Okay, so that's all for today. Okay, goodbye class. See you again next time. Bye bye.